Hey guys, I got Jeff here from Motor City Solutions, and he has what looks like a 57 Corvette, but there's a little more going on. Why don't you start from kind of the ground up and tell me what you got going on with this car?
Sure, absolutely. So this was a collaboration between Dynamic Corvettes out of Saginaw, Michigan, and Shadow Rods out of Saginaw as well.
Yep.
And the concept was, you know, these original C1s are so small.
Yep.
It's hard. You could drive one. I can't, right? So they decided, how do we make one that'll fit a larger guy, but also be proportioned?
Yeah.
And look right. And most people walk up and look at it, they cannot tell that it's not an original 57.
I had no
Corvette.
idea.
Yeah. So what they did is it's got a Roadster Shop chassis under it, the Spec 7 with the C7 suspension.
Yep.
Frame rails are moved out farther, so they will lower the floor pan 2 inches, move the seat back 4 inches, and that just makes all the difference in the world. And you really got to sit in to appreciate the difference on that.
Yeah.
So they worked on that for 11 years, believe it or not. They spent kind of developing and tuning it, and they spent a lot of time throwing one away, starting another one. So when they got all done, they got all the molds done, they said, okay, we're there. We want somebody to take it to market.
Right.
So they approached us because we have a good relationship with them. They approached us to take it to market, and I jumped all over it. I saw the value in this thing, and I thought, how brilliant. We get all the fiberglass pieces made up. It's like a model car. You know, when you're a kid, you open up the box, and you got all the pieces to glue together. That's what we do, right? That's what we do on that one.
Yeah.
And we're going to be selling the rollers. That's our goal right now. And the reason we came out here is because of all the different builders that are out here. Say you got a customer you think would enjoy that. That's who we've been talking to most of the last 2 days.
Yes, yes. So you give them a chassis, give them a body, and then they can kind of outfit it the rest of the way.
Exactly right. They can kind of design it the way they want. Now we have this car. This is the prototype that Shadow Rods had built, and this has been this car just is a magnet. The color combination. I mean, they've hit a home run with this thing. With it's a winning formula with the LT4, the 8-speed automatic transmission. So. But anyway, back to where we're saying. So the goal is that we want to start selling these rollers. It comes, like I said, with the Roadster Shop chassis. It's got all the glass on it, the trim on it, the convertible top function on it, and that's what we're targeting here.
So it'll have all the factory options plus all the monitor amenities you want to add to it.
Right, that you can add to it, and just take it as far as you want.
Yeah. Your shop also does restorations too. So if someone wanted you to build this car full complete, could they do that as well?
We absolutely could do that one. So if they ask how much it's going to cost, I don't know. I mean.
It depends where you want to go,
right?
That's
right, exactly right. Depending on your powertrain, what kind of paint you want, just how in depth you want the paint to look.
Yep.
You know, I mean, that can take, surfacing can take, a lot of time.
Exactly.
To get it perfect.
Yep.
And so we're enthused of all the attention it's gotten, and I think we got something here. I think we got a winning formula.
I think so too. I was blown away when I saw it. Then when I realized it's not even a real Corvette, it's actually something probably a little better because it fits so many more people now. It's got so many more options you can do to it with engine and drivetrains, and really a cool custom car.
Well, the reality is, if you have a current one and you want to upgrade it to this type, I mean, the money you'll spend on that existing body to do that, you'll be cheaper off starting there.
And you kind of almost feel bad doing that to an original body Corvette.
Exactly.
You don't feel bad when it's not an original body car, but it still looks like a beautiful original body car.
Yes.
So you get best of both worlds, man.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Awesome. Jeff, thanks so much for showing this to us. Thanks for using CVF products. I really appreciate the hell out of it, man.
Yes, we love your products. No question about it. We use them all the time.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yep.